Hello friends, Divine Designs 24. My name is Tammy and I received this in the mail from Resiners, and they asked me if I would do a review on this little mixer, and I told them I would. So I am just trying to open this. I have not opened it yet, so I'm opening it right along with you guys and see how this little mixer works. I have several things of Resiners. I love their products. So I have not opened this. We're going to do this together. So this is their manual mixer. It's a 3-speed manual mixer. And let's see what we have here. We have the directions. And it comes with like a little silicone pad. All right, let's see here. There's the lid. There's the paddle, the crank. I believe this is an extender. I kind of read up on it a little bit. Okay, so here is the little silicone pad. So I'm assuming this probably just goes in here and slides on. Okay, like I said, I have not used this, so I'm not even sure. I think this would go inside of it. Yes, it does. It's got little spouts on it. That's nice. So let's see what we have here. So it'll sit on top of other cups also. I have another cup here. So it should sit on one of these too. It does, look at there. It'll sit right on top of another cup if you have it in there. That's awesome, look at that. It's right in there. Okay. There we go. And then here is the crank. So you put it on here. Oh, that's nice. You'd have control of how fast it goes. I like that. And then this one here is one to where you can just do it slowly. And then this one here is if you wanted to make it go faster. Oops. If I get it on there right. There we go. There. So that one makes it go faster. So they have a side one to where you can crank it on the side. And then they have two top ones that are a fast and a slow. And then when you take it out, you have some place to set it so it doesn't go all over the place. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, it's got the extension, so if you use a bigger cup, then you can put the extender on it and put it into a bigger cup. Very, very nice. What a great idea. Okay. Let me get some resin and we'll mix some up. Just a moment, please. I'll be right back. Okay. I got about 4 ounces here. We'll get this mixed up, and I just have a bowl that I can pour it in. Make a little bowl. I want to mix this and see how it works. I don't know if you can see that or not, how it's mixing in there. But you just crank it. As simple as that. And then you can put it on whatever. You want it on slow, which I'd rather have it on so I don't get bubbles. And then you just crank it for a few minutes. Just like you're mixing your resin. Okay, I'm gonna crank this for about 4 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I decided to get this little, put some buttons in this little bowl here. I did a thing with buttons the other day, and they turned out really cute. A seamstress wanted something to hold her buttons in. So let's see, what am I gonna do here? I was gonna do something. I just need something to set this on. So I'm gonna set that on there for right now, and we'll clean that in a minute. I just wanna get this poured in here. But I wanna use a stick just to get around the edges, because whenever you do anything like this and you use any kind of mixers, you always wanna go around the edges and make sure that you get everything off the edges, no matter what kind of mixer you use. Okay. So now I'm gonna pour this in here. Wow, I love the spout on this. The spout is great. Okay, let's lift this up. Make sure we get that all down in there, get the bubbles out. I'll probably be babysitting this for a little while because I see bubbles. I see bubbles. Okay, so I'll be babysitting this, but I wanted to show you how to use this. So now all I'm going to do is take this off of here. I didn't want to whip it. And I'm going to spray alcohol on it and just wipe it clean. Get all that alcohol off of it, all that resin off of there. So I just sprayed it with alcohol and cleaned it all up. And look at there. It's all cleaned up. That simple. All done. I'm going to work on this, finish up with what I have left in here. But this is how the Resiner manual mixer works. It works fantastic. Had no issues with it all. It's really easy to take the stuff on and off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.